Today I'm cooking simple and easy fishball soup for dinner. This is suitable for anyone who wants a quick to cook and delicious meal. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 370 grams of fish balls. These are large fish balls, but they can be cut into half if preferred. 270 grams of firm tofu, 250 grams of Chinese cabbage, 3 cilantro roots, 4 pieces of dry shiitake mushroom soaked until soft, 1.3 liters of water, 2 stalks of spring onions cut into 1.5 inch in length with the white stems and the green leaves separated, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the CMO link. Start with boiling the soup. Put 1.3 liters of water in the pan. Heat the pan. Add in salt, pepper, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Stir and mix. Cover the pan, bring it to boil. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. While waiting for the soup to boil, cut the tofu into 4 triangle pieces like this. Next, cut the shiitake mushroom, remove the stumps, and cut into 3 slices each. Then cut the Chinese cabbage into 1.5 inch in length. Separate the stems and the leaf, as the stems takes longer time to cook than the leaves. The soup is just starting to cook and is getting hot now. Add in 3 cilantro roots, shiitake mushroom, white stems of the spring onions, Chinese cabbage stem, and the tofu. Give a stir. Cover the pan and cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Stir it. The shiitake mushroom, tofu, and Chinese cabbage stem should be soft and cooked by now. Add in the fish balls. Give it another stir. Add in the Chinese cabbage leaves and the spring onion leaves. Cover the pan and cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, fish balls are cooked. Give a stir. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it is delicious. Switch off the heat. Let's dish out and serve. Sprinkle the crispy fried shallots. The simple and delicious fishball soup is ready. I recommend serving it immediately once it is cooked, while the soup is still hot. It can be eaten with rice or on its own. Let's eat! The soup is very tasty and flavorful. Fish balls are soft and delicious. A perfect soup for a low-calorie meal. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!